3D printed pictures. But how? How to transform your sketch or picture into a 3D model, which can be then printed. If you are a good artist, you can just simply draw a picture and use it as a starting point. But don't be sad if your drawing skill is close to mine. Even pictures from internet can play a role. In my case, this little sketch was sent by one of the subscribers. So when the picture is finally found, we can use one of the free image to SVG converters, which helps to convert your picture into a sketch. Uploading picture, and after some time on the right side you can see the final result. Then we download SVG file. Name it as Octopus. Later we can upload SVG file to Fusion 360, for example. Press Insert, Insert SVG, Octopus, then choose a plane. You can also align this, add some extra lines, close all contours, then extrude necessary geometry and export file to the slicer as a negative part. If we are talking about making pictures on the bottom surface of our part, it's very important to have flow ratio parameter well calibrated, especially when your picture is not so deep, for example this octopus. The negative part thickness is only 0.2 mm. This is only one layer, and the second layer is covering everything including octopus. On my first try we can barely see the octopus outlines due to over-extrusion. So in this case melted plastic will just fill all empty space left for octopus. Minus 10% to the flow ratio, and now it's much better. But pictures can be printed not only at the bottom surface, but also on the side surface. Let's try to print this little dragon. First we close all contours, then extrude geometry. Load negative part from slicer. Then immerse dragon inside your part, let's say for 1 mm. Then send for printing. After some time we can evaluate final quality of our part and make some corrections if necessary. By the way, SVG files can also be uploaded directly to Slicer. We can also make engravings using built-in Slicer option, text. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye!